हेलो ट्रेडर्स, कैसे हो आप? दिस इज सुभाशीष मंडल, फाउंडर एट ग्रे स्क्वायर एसोसिएट्स LLP, which is a basically proprietary stock trading firm, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Niftix. So traders, today I will discuss with you about 5 most important prices for intraday traders and for intraday trading session. Along with that, at the end I'll give you a one bonus tip in which you will able to interpret the 5 important points which I'll discuss in this video. So trust me guys, bonus point is the 80% of the video which will help you to interpret the 5 important points, right? So stay with the video till the end. So before moving on to the main topic, I'd like to discuss with you little bit about trend. So what is trend? Trend means market is in uptrend, market is in downtrend, or market is in consolidation phase. So we should identify before applying any strategies in the market, before applying any technicals in the market, we should identify the trend first. The first step of intraday trader is to identify trend. So how to identify trend, I'll make a different video about that. For basics, I'll video about that, and for basics I will tell you that 20-day moving average, I'll keep 20-day moving average and 200-day moving average in my charts for identifying the trend. But what matter is identification of trend before applying any strategies. First point about trend is, if the market is in uptrend, so try to buy on dips. Try to buy on dips. If the market is in downtrend, try to sell on rips. And if the market is in consolidation phase, try to sell at upper range of the consolidation phase and try to buy at lower range of consolidation phase. That's the basic I have discussed with you about the trend. So now let's move on to our main topic, which is 5 important prices for intraday traders. First point is previous day high. Yeah, you heard it right. What I mean by previous day high is, in previous day trading session, what is the price? Which is the price point? Which is the price point the sellers get activated and push the price downwards. That's the important price, and how we have to interpret the previous day high, I will discuss with you in a bonus point. Right? Second point, previous day low. Previous day low, by the word itself you will be able to understand what I mean to say is previous day low. Price where buyers get activated in the previous session, right? And how I have to interpret, we will discuss about in bonus point. The third most important prices intraday traders must look at is previous day closing price. Right, you heard it right, previous day closing price. It is also a very important price to look at in the intraday trading session. Fourth most important price for intraday trading is previous day average price. Yeah, you heard it right, previous day average price. And how we have to calculate previous day average prices along with previous day average price with the help of past 3 points: previous day high, previous day low, and previous day closing. By adding all these 3 and by dividing the result by 3, we'll get a previous day average price, which is also called a central pivot. In technical terms, the average price is called a central pivot. Right? Suppose we take an example. Today I am shooting the video on 16th. I'm shooting the video on, I think, 11 September today. I'm shooting the video. So previous day closing session, the prices were the high prices for Nifty were 17,379, right? High prices were 17,379, low prices 17,302, and the closing price will be 17,369. So if we add high plus low plus close, we'll get a price, and we'll get a total price, and by that total price we'll have to divide by 3. So we'll get a average price, and in today's session we'll get average price for next trading session, which is 17,350 for Nifty for coming trading session. I mean for 13 Sep. Yeah, next trading day will be 13 Sep. So 17,350 will be the average price, central price. How we have to interpret the central price is, if the market is an uptrend, try to buy at central price range. The plus, in Nifty we have to give the slippage in every trading patterns. We have to give the slippage. In Nifty we will give plus 10 slippage of 350 and minus 10 slippage of average price. So if the prices is trading above the average price, right? If the price is trading above the average price, we should try in an uptrend market is an uptrend. I'm talking about uptrend market. We should try to buy if the prices is moving, is trading above the average price, right? We should buy. We should think about to buy in that range. If we are in downtrend and prices is trading below the average price line, so we should try to sell, right? Trend is important. I'm repeating, trend is very important to identify for intraday traders, or else the traps will be created, and the traps will create counter trade. In the counter trade, the trend traps will be created. The market trend is going on and counter trade are in the other direction. So be aware of that. This was the fourth important prices for intraday traders, which is average price. And the fifth important prices for intraday traders is previous day consolidation range. Yes, previous day consolidation range. What I mean by that is, in intraday trading there are time when market started consolidation. There are equal number of buyers and sellers enter in the market and create a consolidation range in intraday market, intraday trading session. So fifth important point is consolidation range. We should identify the previous day consolidation range and we should try to buy above the consolidation range and sell below the consolidation range of intraday trading session, previous day intraday trading session, right? So now I've discussed the 5 important points. Let's cover up one more time. First is previous day high, second is previous day low, third is previous day closing, fourth is average price of the market, which is calculated by high plus low plus close divided by 3, and the fifth important point is previous day consolidation range for intraday trading. Now the most important price which we get is, and which I call it as a bonus point in this video, is the current opening price of the market. I mean, in next coming session, which is 13 September 2021, the opening price of Nifty, even Nifty or in even any other index, any other stocks, it is applicable to everyone, but I'm talking about Nifty. I'm giving example of Nifty. So if the prices, the important price is opening price. I'm talking about opening price. So if the prices, opening price is above the previous day high, so and market is not uptrend, so we'll interpret that previous day high will be act as a important support in today's trading session, right? If the opening is above the previous day high. If the opening is below the previous day low and we are in the uptrend market, right? So we'll discuss that previous day low will be act as an important resistance in that trading session. If that breaks, then market will start short covering, and if it doesn't break, it will act as a resistance because the sellers will active. And if the market opens between the previous day high, previous day low, so we'll wait for the time when prices is to break previous day high, previous day low, or if the market is in consolidation phase, we'll try to sell at previous day high and we'll try to look at previous day low for buying opportunities. So for me, the most important prices in which we have to interpret, along with that we have to interpret the most important price, the opening session price. We have to interpret opening price along with the previous 5 points to trade well. So that's all for the day. Thank you for today.